everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in this video we have a question. We are given two equations. A plus b is equal to 37 and a minus b in brackets divided by b is equal to 3. And they say that we need to find out the value of a and b. We need to solve it for a and b. Whenever we have two equations and two variables, it is always easy to find out the variable, right? So if we have a plus b, we can either from this equation we can find out the value of one variable in terms of another variable, or we can solve this equation, right? If we solve this equation, then it would be easier to substitute in first equation, right? Okay, so I will note down second equation first. A minus 5, instead of writing dividing by b like that, I will write it here like that, is equal to 3, right? Now I need to solve it. I will find out the value of a in terms of b. So what can I do for that? I will multiply with b on both sides, right? Okay, if I multiply, this b will cancel out on left side and we are left with a minus 5 is equal to 3b, right? And this says that a is equal to 3b plus 5, right? Now we know we have our equation a plus b is equal to 37, right? Now a plus b is equal to what? 37, right? So it will be equal to 3b plus 5 plus b is equal to 37. Adding the same variables, 3b plus 1b will become 4b plus 5 is equal to 37, right? And we need to find out the value of b, right? So what will we do? We will subtract 5 from both sides first. It is equal to 4b is equal to 32. Now since I need to find out the value of b, I will divide by 4 on both sides. It will become b is equal to 8, right? Now since b is 8 and we know a plus b is what? 37. So a will be equal to 37 minus 8, right? So a is what? A is 29, right? So we found out the value of a and b both, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and please visit my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.